In this video, we review Vivo Y36i for you all to know about its top features today. On December 2023, Vivo Y36i price in USA America starts from USD 170 approx. The smartphone comes with a dual SIM card that accepts nano SIM. It is built with 5G technology. The smartphone comes with a 6.56-inch 8D Plus IP ESL LCD display with a resolutions of 1612 x 720 pixels. Here, according to display size, type and resolutions, we're giving 75 score out of 100. The smartphone comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Storage variants available on this smartphone is 128 GB plus 4 GB. Also, it has support expandable storage. The Vivo Y36i measures 163.7 x 75.4 x 8.1 mm height x width x thickness and weighs about 186 grams. According to price and features, this is a budget smartphone. Talking about the camera of this smartphone, the Vivo Y36i comes with a single rear camera setup of 13 plus anti-stroboscopic sensor MP. On the other side, there is single camera setup for selfie that is 13 plus anti-stroboscopic sensor MP. According to camera size, resolutions and review of pictures, we're giving 78 score out of 100 for camera section on this smartphone. The mobile phone is based on the Android 13 operating system and runs 5000 mAh battery capacity with fast charging. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 7nm chipset and also has Mali G57 MC2 graphical processing unit. Connectivity options on the phone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, V5.1, USB Type-C 2.0, GPSO-TG, and more. Also, it has available with purple, gold, black colors.